Now let's talk about Power BI service. So Power BI is a suite of software service applications and connectors that collaborate to help you create, share, and utilize business insights in the most effective way for you and your organization. So Power BI service is a software as a service component of Power BI, and it allows you to access and interact with reports along with individual visuals elements within those reports directly from your browser. Okay, now this is the interface of Power BI service, right? We'll talk about all these features later, but now let's focus on workspace. Now workspace are places to collaborate with colleagues on a specific content. Power BI designers create workspace to hold collections of dashboard and reports. So the designers can then share the workspace with colleagues. So this is the workspace, right? We have a default workspace, which is my workspace, and this is the workspace I have created here. Now my workspace is a personal workspace for individual users. Only the owner can access this workspace. So let's check. So this is my workspace, right? Only the owner can access this particular workspace, right? Okay. So all these activities here are for the owner. And then we also have other workspace like the bank workspace. Now this is a collaborative workspace designed for the team. Multiple users can grant access with varying levels of permission, like a member, collaborator, or viewer. Okay, and this workspace is suitable for team projects like departmental reporting and collaborative effort, where multiple users need to create, modify, and view Power BI content. Now let's create our first workspace, right? So let's click on workspace, then here we go to new workspace. So click on new workspace, then you give it a name. The new workspace, give it a name. So here let's name it bank underscore hospital. Alright, good. And then here you can give a description, right? If you have something to say, description like the bank report. Good. Then click on apply. Good. And here we have created our workspace, the bank hospital, right? So if we go to workspace, this is the workspace we just created. Now this workspace, you can give permission to your colleagues, right? We have manage as, right? So this is the bank hospital workspace, right? So this workspace is where you'll be giving access to your colleagues, right? So here, go to manage access, click on manage access, then click on add people group, right? So here you type the name, the email of the person you wanted to give access to here, right? And here you grant the person a permission. So we have member, contributor, and viewer. Okay, now let's publish our first dashboard to Power BI service. Right, so this is the dashboard I just created. Now I wanted to publish this to Power BI service, so I'll go to publish, click on publish, then I have to save it. Click on save. Good. And this is the workspace I have, right? Yes, I've already signed in, so I have already signed in my Power BI desktop, right? So this is the workspace I have. All the workspace has been shown here. So here I have to specify the workspace I wanted to publish my dashboard. Here I wanted to publish it at I wanted to publish it to Bank Hospital, right? So this is where I wanted to publish my dashboard to, right? Good. So I'll go back to my Power BI desktop, then I'll click on Bank Hospital, select the Bank Hospital, then publish. So now it's loading, right? Let's wait for some time. Good. Here it has successfully published, so I'll click on close it, and then I'll go back to my Power BI service. Right here I have to refresh the page. Yeah, so this is my report, right? The report. So I have this report here. So here, let me open my dashboard here. Good. So this is the dashboard, right? I have published it to Power BI service. Publish it to Power BI service. So here all the pages is here. Good. Okay, now here we have semantic model. Now this semantic model represents a source of data ready for reporting, visualization, and then the discovery. So let's click on this semantic model. Okay. So this is all the field right we have. So the same field here. You go back to the Power BI. This is the field, right? Good. So this is the underlying or data of the dashboard. Now let's export this dashboard into PowerPoint. So you go to export, and then you click on PowerPoint. Right. You see embed live data, and then here you open in PowerPoint. So click on open in PowerPoint, and then here open PowerPoint. Good. And here we have what? We have exports the dashboard into PowerPoint. Good. So let me zoom in. So this is the dashboard. We have exported it to PowerPoint, and here it's very interactive, right? So here, if I click here, take me to the next page, right? Good. So this is our dashboard. We have exported it into PowerPoint. Now before you can do that, you also have to come to PowerPoint to add Power BI extension, right? So you go to add-ins here, then you search for Power BI. Search for Power BI. Good. So this is the Power BI extension. You install this one in your PowerPoint before you can export your dashboard from Power BI service into PowerPoint. You can also export it into PDF, and you can also share your report, right, with others. So here, if you click on here, we have people in your organization, people with existing access, and specific people, and these are the permissions. You can tick these two permissions and click on apply to do or to share it.